Alright, let's cut through the blockchain noise and talk about something that's been flying completely under the radar. SIDRA Bank isn't just another DeFi protocol trying to copy Ethereum's homework. This is the world's first decentralized Islamic bank, and their approach to solving trillion-dollar problems is absolutely revolutionary. Here's what most people don't understand about the Islamic finance market. We're talking about a $3.5 trillion sector that has been completely ignored by traditional DeFi protocols. Why? Because conventional blockchain projects are built on interest-based mechanisms that fundamentally violate Sharia law principles. SIDRA Bank recognized this massive gap and decided to build something unprecedented. Their ecosystem includes 5 core components that work together like a financial Swiss Army knife. We've got DeFi wallets that are completely non-custodial, smart contracts designed specifically for Sharia compliance, their own Uniswap-style decentralized exchange, lending and borrowing protocols that avoid traditional interest mechanisms, and Yearn Vault-style yield farming that adheres to Islamic principles. But here's where it gets really interesting. Their mobile mining approach has generated over 110 million user coins across 3 million global participants. The top participating countries read like a who's who of emerging markets: Nigeria, China, India, the United States, Vietnam, Indonesia, Bangladesh, Pakistan, and Benin. That's not random distribution. That's strategic market penetration in regions where traditional banking infrastructure is failing millions of people. Now, if this analysis is already opening your eyes to market opportunities you never considered, do me a massive favor. Absolutely demolish that like button right now. It tells YouTube's algorithm that this deep dive content is valuable and helps me reach more traders who need access to this intelligence. And if you haven't joined the TJ Crypto World Revolution yet, hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell because I drop exclusive blockchain insights like this every single day that could literally transform how you view emerging markets. Now let me show you something that's going to change how you evaluate blockchain projects forever. SIDRA Bank's roadmap isn't just ambitious. It's a 28-phase master plan that reads like they're trying to rebuild the entire global financial system from scratch. Phase 1 through 5 focuses on foundation building, launching SIDRA Coin, developing blockchain infrastructure, creating user-friendly platforms, implementing loyalty systems, and establishing educational frameworks. But that's just the appetizer. Phases 6 through 15 get into serious territory. We're talking innovation centers, foreign exchange services, crowdfunding platforms, startup incubation programs, venture funding opportunities, digital identity systems, 24/7 AI customer service, and stock trading integration. They're not just building a bank. They're building a complete financial ecosystem. But the real game changer is phases 16 through 28. This is where they introduce auction houses for physical assets, freelance job integration, layer 2 dApps, payment gateways, peer-to-peer transactions, lending platforms, insurance services, robo-advisory systems, AI trading features, fraud detection, online marketplaces, multi-asset allocation, RegTech compliance, and installment payment options. Think about what they're actually building here. This isn't a cryptocurrency. This is a parallel financial universe designed specifically for markets that have been underserved by traditional fintech. But here's where most YouTube crypto channels would stop, and this is where TJ Crypto World goes deeper. I managed to get access to transparency reports directly from SIDRA Bank's founder, and what they reveal about internal challenges is absolutely fascinating. The founder admits they've faced massive skepticism about mobile mining implementation. Many critics dismissed it as unnecessary. But SIDRA Bank's thesis is that mobile mining provides financial system access to poverty-stricken populations who can't afford traditional mining hardware. They've also dealt with coordinated attacks from critics who reported their project as a scam, primarily from non-Muslim communities who didn't understand the Islamic finance angle. Despite this, their community has exploded to over 3 million users globally. Internal challenges have been brutal. They've struggled with technology expert shortages, high salary costs for blockchain developers, team misalignment issues, and deadline management problems. Regulatory compliance has been a nightmare because blockchain licensing requirements vary drastically between countries. KYC verification costs have been astronomical, especially when dealing with sanction lists from multiple jurisdictions. They've become a target for sophisticated hackers trying to exploit their referral systems with fake user accounts. And here's something nobody talks about. Apple Store policies completely prohibit mobile mining apps, creating massive distribution challenges for iOS users. Listen, if this behind-the-scenes intelligence is giving you a completely new perspective on what real blockchain development looks like, then I need you to help me spread this message. Hit that like button again if you haven't already, share this video with 3 people in your network who need to understand emerging market opportunities, and drop a comment below telling me, what do you think about SIDRA Bank's approach? Are they building the future or chasing an impossible dream? I read every single comment and often feature the best insights in my follow-up analysis. So, here's what most people are missing about the bigger picture. SIDRA Bank isn't just solving Islamic finance problems. Honestly, they're demonstrating a blueprint for how blockchain projects can serve underbanked populations all over the world. Their team composition, well, it really tells the whole story. There's a CEO with over a decade of business mentoring experience in Qatar, and a CTO with cybersecurity expertise in DevSecOps, Scrum, Jenkins, DevOps, Docker Swarm, Python, Django, and PHP development. The development team, they've got experience across Python, Linux, IBM systems, data analysis, web development, and mobile applications. This isn't just a random group of crypto enthusiasts hoping to get rich quick. This is a professional team tackling systematic financial exclusion with enterprise-grade technology solutions. The statistics speak for themselves. With 275 million primary faucet coins distributed alongside those 110 million user-generated coins, they've created one of the largest alternative financial networks in emerging markets. Their geographic distribution proves they're reaching populations that traditional fintech completely ignores. I want to thank each and every member of the TJ Crypto World family for being part of this incredible journey into blockchain intelligence that goes beyond surface-level hype. Your support, your engagement, your trust in my deep dive analysis, it means everything to me and motivates me to keep uncovering these hidden ecosystem opportunities that others completely overlook. The blockchain space is evolving faster than ever, but together we're staying ahead of the curve by understanding not just what projects are building, but why they're building it and who they're serving. Whether SIDRA Bank revolutionizes Islamic finance or faces insurmountable challenges, we're equipped with knowledge, context, and most importantly, realistic expectations. If you want to continue exploring undervalued blockchain ecosystems, check out my latest breakdown on Layer 2 Revolution Hidden Gems Building Tomorrow's Infrastructure. I'll drop the link right up here. It's a comprehensive analysis of 3 projects that are solving scalability problems in completely different ways, and it pairs perfectly with today's SIDRA Bank deep dive. Remember, in blockchain, understanding the problem being solved is more valuable than chasing quick profits. Community engagement is more predictive than marketing hype, and long-term vision is more sustainable than short-term speculation. Stay sharp, stay educated, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll be dissecting another ecosystem that could change everything. Until then, this is TJ from TJ Crypto World, reminding you to research deeply, think critically, and never stop learning. The next blockchain revolution is always one analysis away.